But you can.
Oh, nice.
Just put the shadow the other way.
Oh, that looks pretty sweet though.
That's cool. You see Eddie's been trapped on the rocks.
Whoa! That was sweet!
Did you get it?
Yeah, it was sweet. It was like, watch this. Just watch it.
Some gets curled under the rock.
Uh-huh. Watch, right there. That's sweet! That was some turbulence for you right there.
Oh yeah, check it. Oh, check it out. Whoa!
Are you watching it? Where he was dropping it in?
It's in the shadows. Oh.